no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah.
Hey love, so this is another install video. I will be showing you guys this straight lace closure wig that I got from Ali Grace Hair. I will be showing you guys start to finish, as always, showing you guys how I prep the unit as well as how I install, and then my initial review on the hair. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching.
One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live it life. I don't know. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Oh. Ooh. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. No. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby. And I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last all day, yeah. Cause girl, it make me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh. Baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know. But I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives.
Hey love, so this is the final look of my straight 4x4 lace closure unit. This unit was really easy to install and prep. I really didn't have any issues with it, due to the fact, of course, it is a lace closure, so it's less work with trying to do the hairline and prep the wig for install. So I would definitely have to say with this texture, the texture is more of like a silky straight instead of like a yaki straight. So if you guys are looking for like a silky bone straight wig unit, then this definitely would be the unit for you. I didn't have any issues with the ends. I do love the ends. They're tapered. They're not like raggedy or have split ends or anything like that. Like I said, this is a lace closure. The lace was pretty easy to kind of disguise the knots. As you guys know, I don't bleach the knots on my frontals or closure wigs. All I do is use like a wig knot healer and some powder foundation, and that's pretty much it. As you guys saw previously in the video, I did pre-plug the hairline. The hairline already comes slightly pre-plugged, but you know, of course, I always have to go in and just plug some more. I highly recommend you guys do that for standard lace wigs. So that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you think of this straight wig unit. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If I didn't go over something, leave it, and if you have a question, leave it down below in the comment section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.
So make it last someday, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on.